Hello and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is the approved used Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Firstly, in this video, we'll take you on a 360 walk around the vehicle and then we'll check out your interior controls and technology. Starting off at the front of the car, it does come with a daytime running LED lights, ensuring you are seeing whatever the weather. Round to the side, the stunning 5-segment spoke design, 18-inch alloy wheels. This car does come with the S-Line styling pack, so we do have the S-Line front and rear bumpers. So we do have the chrome window trims and also the privilege glass in the back windows of the vehicle, keeping any valuables on those back seats out of sight. So here we have the stunning half leather seats. So this Audi Q2 is petrol, it is automatic, it's done just over 18,300 miles, and the colour is a stunning Mythos Black Metallic. You will notice these circles on the back bumper. Well, these are for your rear parking sensors. Moving on to the boot now, as you can see, the boot itself is really spacious, plenty of room here for your golf clubs, your shopping, or maybe if you're heading off on holiday, those suitcases. If you found that wasn't quite enough room, maybe you're doing a bit of DIY at the weekend, then those back seats do fold down, giving you extra space. So this vehicle does come with an electric tailgate, meaning from one push of a button, that tailgate will open and also close for you, which is really handy if you've got any shopping bags in your hands at the time. And of course, we do have the seat pillar blades in the silver on the back wings. Just checking out those stunning front seats now, which do have the S-Line embossed logo on. The driver's chair does come with the 4-way lumbar support. And that does complete our 360 walk around the vehicle. Now time to check out interior controls and technology. Just to the right hand side of your steering wheel, we do have your window and mirror controls. You also have the ability here to turn on or turn off those child locks for the rear doors. Just below we do have a button which will open the electric tailgate from inside the vehicle. Just above are our light controls, which are positioned just to the right hand side of your multifunctional steering wheel. Using the buttons on the left hand side of your wheel, you can personalise the Audi virtual cockpit display, as this has many functions for you to choose from. Over to the right hand side now, we do have the volume control, which means you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel to alter the volume. And once your mobile phone is connected to the car via Bluetooth, use these buttons above to take or reject phone calls. As we move back down to the left, we do have the paddle shifter, the cruise control, and in the center console we've got our main display, which is a multimedia interface, which is all controlled by the buttons in the center console. You can do a range of things on this, including plan your route on the navigation system, select the soundtrack to your journey on the DAB digital radio. Alternatively, in the glove box you'll find a CD player, 2 SD slots and a SIM card slot, or for your media. Now if we go to the main menu to Car and Audi Drive Select, this allows you to adapt the driving quality of your vehicle to your independent needs. So whether it's comfort, auto, dynamic, just to name a few options there. Moving down to our air conditioning system, very easy to use. Simply switch on, set your temperature and position, and away you go. Moving down, of course, this vehicle is automatic. Here we have the buttons which will operate your main screen in the car. Then we've got the electric parking brake, and next to it is the automatic parking brake, which means once this is selected, the car will brake automatically when it is stationary. So that does complete our tour today around this approved used Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI, which we now have in stock. As this is a used vehicle, it does come with 12 months warranty and also 12 months roadside assistance. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call on 01785 899 417. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope to see you soon at Stafford Audi.